The quick tip is about watching videos on YouTube, and that there's a setting to speed them up or slow them down. So on YouTube, sometimes you want it to go faster. And you have three choices: 1.25 speed, 1.5, or double speed. And vice versa. Sometimes the speaker is going too fast and you want to slow it down.
Slow it down.
And that's still a speed setting. You just go to the other side. You have 3/4 speed, half speed, or 1/4 speed. And on the computer, you do it by clicking the little gear. But I want to show you on a phone. Here is a YouTube video. And it's playing.
Guld with Geeks On Tour.
And you hear me talking.
I am going to do a factory reset on my iPhone 7 Plus and record the whole process so that you can see how it works.
Okay. You tap the 3-dot menu in the upper right on the phone, and there's playback speed right there. And 1.5, I can usually listen to pretty good, and it makes it go faster.
Works. Why am I doing that? Well, this is a 2-year-old phone, and I am constantly getting messages that it's full. I delete what I can, but it's just too much.
But now it's just too fun to try it at double speed.
It's work to keep up with that. It's slowing down, and it even just crashes, hangs up sometimes. So a factory reset should clear it completely out and start over like it's a brand new.
So if you really want to get through a video quickly, there's the playback speed. And then on the other side, you can slow it down.
And I want a 128 gigabyte.
I think she's been drinking.
Okay.
Too funny.
So that can be fun, but the 1.5 speed I really have found useful.